In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel orders on Facebook Marketplace. If you've placed an order on Marketplace and need to back out, the most reliable way is to contact the seller directly and request a cancellation. There isn't always a universal cancel button, so clear communication is key. I'll walk you through the process and share a few tips to help it go smoothly. Start by opening the Facebook app on your device and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Once you're in, look toward the upper right of the screen and tap the Messenger icon. Marketplace conversations are handled through Messenger, so this is where you'll reach the seller and track the conversation history. Next, head to Marketplace. From the app's navigation, tap Marketplace to view listings and related chats. You should see your Marketplace messages grouped with your other conversations. If you don't see it immediately, look for the chat thread with the seller of the item you're trying to cancel. Open the conversation with the seller you want to contact about the cancellation. Double check that it's the correct item by reviewing the listing title or any previous messages, so you don't accidentally message the wrong person. Now, type a clear, polite cancellation message. Keep it short but specific so the seller knows exactly what you're referring to. A simple example you can adapt is, "Hi, I'd like to cancel my order for item name. We discussed this on date. If payment was processed, please let me know the next steps for a refund. Thank you." Include the item name and, if helpful, the agreed price or pickup date. But avoid sharing any sensitive personal information. Being courteous and concise usually leads to a faster response. When your message looks good, tap send. This officially lets the seller know you're requesting to cancel. Stay in the chat to watch for their reply. If they agree, they'll confirm the cancellation and, if applicable, explain how they'll handle the refund. Timing matters here. The earlier you message, the more likely a smooth cancellation, especially if the item hasn't been shipped or handed off. A few closing tips to help you out. Keep all communication inside Messenger so there's a clear record of what was said. Check the Marketplace Help Center for the latest policies if you need clarification. And if a refund is involved, verify it's processed through the same method you originally used. With that, you've requested your Marketplace order cancellation the right way.